Click Filter switch. Click the Specifications link. Check the checkbox for any specification that you want to use as a filter. Click the checkbox. Click the Save button. Click the Yes button. A possible scenario for using the specification filter for items might be for device color. Let's assume that the estimate will use white receptacles and switches. Expand the folder by clicking the plus symbol. Click the checkbox. You can hide the filter by dragging the divider bar upwards. Expand the folder by clicking the plus symbol. Click the Combination Devices folder. You can view all items by clicking the Show All Folders and Items button. Click the Show All Folders and Items button. The folders that contain filtered items will display the normal yellow folder. Folders that do not contain any filtered items will display a folder with a yellow outline. Click the Show All Folders and Items button.